So you start with your class data, with your year 1s and your year 2s separated. You put your totals down here, so the total number, not the percentage. And anyone not in, anyone who came in term 4, you don't count. Then over here you put your total number of well belows, at, above for reading, writing and maths, and you separate it into girls and boys and Māori and Pacifica and New Zealand European and other. Then you've got a document that looks like this for reading, writing and maths. So you transfer the data from each class over into here. So this is the year 1 at the top, and then down the bottom is your year 2. So the first thing to do is to enter this data, and then you want to add them up to make sure that at the end of this stuff you've got the right number of kids. So you start with where you want your answer to go, and you put a formula in there starting with equals, and then you tap in the first boys cell and push plus. You can see that it's popping up there. Then you tap in the next boys cell, plus, next boys cell, plus, next boys cell, enter. So now any number that you pop into there will automatically be added up once you click out of it at the end. So you can do that for all of your little boxes, and it makes it easier, because then you can check that your numbers here match up with your total numbers at the end. So then you go back through each of those areas on the first sheet we looked at and do your total numbers there, and then to check at the end that you've got the right number, that this total number matches that total number, then you can use the sum function up there. Just click sum and then go enter, and because there's 0, but if there was 2 in there, then I put 2 in there, then you know that that number would match that number. Yeah?
Yeah.
And so you can summarize the whole lot. Making a sum is easier than that first formula thing I just showed you, but that definitely makes it easier. And then what Jace is saying, if you've got 7 kids above, then you have to make sure that your boys and girls above equal that number up there. And then the same way if you add up your ethnicities, if you've got 7 above kids, then you have to make sure that that is 7 in that column somewhere as well. Okay.
Yep.